The Renovation tool has to be one of the most powerful tools that's strangely hidden away in ArchiCAD. I'll show you what it can do. I've got my existing plan here. Now, if you want to follow along, existing, demolished, proposed. So, demolition plan, proposed plan. We can do all this super easy, super intuitively, all with the Renovation tool. I'll kick off and show you where you can actually find it, because it's not typically actually in the basic ArchiCAD template. We'll want to go to Palettes and click on Renovation. You'll find it pop up most likely down the bottom right here. Now I'll show you exactly what it can do. So we've got three states that an element can be in: existing, demolished, and proposed. If I click this wall here, hit demolished, all of a sudden that wall demolished. But if we go to the existing, it's still there, but on the proposed, it's gone. So you can see the power of the tool already and how quickly we can change various elements to suit what we need on an alterations and additions project, and then quickly change them back if we need to, just by going, say, existing. There is a bit of setup that needs to be done. Let's go into the tool, down the bottom, we'll click here, then go Renovation Filter Options. There are three that we're going to focus on today. The existing, which is going to show existing elements, show demolished elements, but hide new. Demolished is going to have these settings, showing existing, overriding demolished elements, and still hiding new. Now, this override part, very important. To change this, to change what the pens actually look like, we'll go to Graphic Override Rules. Then just up the top here, elements to be demolished. This section here, we can tweak how it looks. So for example, if I say go blue, I go okay. All the demolished elements are going to show up as blue. I'm going to go okay. So we can see there, all the demolished shows up as blue. Now I don't particularly want that, so let's go back to the graphic override. I'll change that to red, making sure that I'm in the demolished. We'll go okay. And it's pretty much simple as that. Let's go to the new button. So new shows existing because that's still going to remain. It hides the demolished because we're going to take that out, but it also shows the new stuff. So let's just go okay. Let's go to our proposed ground floor, and we'll click on our elements here that I set up earlier, and you'll notice all of those are on the new, but they're not going to be showing up on the existing. Now, to set this up in the view map, you'll want to right click on your plan and go view settings. Within the view settings, this is where you can assign the renovation filter. I've got this one as existing, and you just go through after you set things up. So demolished, view settings, and I'll make sure I have demolition plan. And you already know it for the proposed, same thing, go through that as well. If you want to save the legwork of setting all this up yourself, I'll have a link in the description to this project. Now, on the actual layout itself, you'll want to make sure that pen set is set to defined by pen set, so that when you have demolished, those red pens are going to show through. I also like to have a wall legend up the top, just to easily identify which walls are which. So if you're doing a renovation, I can't recommend this tool highly enough. If you want to check out more ArchiCAD tips, I'll have a video over here.